So now that we have completed with our process of installing Microsoft Office product and launching of Excel, now we will take a look at the Excel workspace. First we have the Office button over here, Office button. Office button consists of options like save, save as, print option. We will be learning more about the Office button in our coming tutorial. Next we have is the quick access toolbar. Quick access toolbar, or QAT you can say. By default there are three options, that is save, undo and redo option in quick access toolbar. You can click on this customize quick access toolbar button and you can increase the options in quick access toolbar, and we will be learning more about quick access toolbar in our coming tutorial. Next we have is the title bar. The title bar over here, this is the file name. The file name that we save is the title bar. Next we have is the toolbar. Here we have the toolbar over here, which consists of all the tools. Next here, this is the ribbon. You can see as I am changing the tools, the ribbon is changing and it is exploring the sub options of the toolbar, which is one of the very good function of Excel 2007. Next we have is the name box. Why this option is called the name box, we will be learning ahead. Next we have is the formula bar. This is the formula bar. Formula bar explores all the calculation. We have the option to expand the formula bar, and we can also collapse it back. Next we have column and rows. So our columns having alphabetic order, that is A, B, C, D, and rows which are horizontal are comprises of the number 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is a cell. You can see in the name box C5, that is you are in a cell which is at the intersection point of column C, row 5. That's why it is called C5. Okay, so now you understand why this is called a name box. Next we have is the sheets. You can see the sheets available over here. By default you have 3 sheets. You can also add sheet from this option over here, and you can also delete them. Next we have is the scroll bar. You can see this is the scroll bar. Okay, you can click on shift and you can drag it down. Okay, see, by clicking shift and dragging down I can reach at the bottom of my Excel, that is 10,48,576, which is the last row of Excel. Okay, we'll put it back. Next we have the status bar. Here is the status bar over here. Why this is called status bar, you can see if you are entering some information and you can see here enter, that is the data which you are typing in is still needs to be entered in the cell. Okay, so we press enter and you can see it is back to ready. Now if I want to edit it, it will show that the data is yet to be edited. So once you press enter and you can see it is ready. Okay, so this is the status bar. You can also see the count, sum, average, etc. Next we have is the zoom slider. Here we have the zoom slider over here. You can see we can maximize and minimize over here. Okay, okay. And last is the views. Here we have the views of Excel. You can click and change the view. Okay, by default we have the normal view over here. So this was all about the Excel workspace. Now we will move on to our next tutorial.